Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Here is today's kanji. It is read furu, or ko in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means old. It has 5 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like ko. On its own, it is usually furu. Stories 10 mouths old, retold until they are ancient. Now, let's write it. 5 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen, in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Furui means old. Chuuko means second hand. And furuhon means used book. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Ku, read kuru, to suffer. Kuchi, read kuchi, mouth. Notice the small differences. So that's kuru, old. 5 strokes, read furu or ko. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.